Hallo alle zusammen, ich heiße Abhishek and now we are dealing with the datum part. So the datum is different way of telling date. So the first way is zum Beispiel 1900 1998. So this one would be like 1998. But 1st of May, how we tell 1st of May in German? That is, this one is 1. Mai, Ordinalzahlen. 1. Mai, heute ist der 1. Mai. Today is 1st of May. And this one is 23rd September 1995. So ich bin am 23. So this one is Ordinalzahlen. That is 23. 23. And this is accusative, that's why. And this is der Tag. This is day. And day, that means Tag. And Tag is masculine, that is der Tag. That's why 23. 23. September 1995 geboren. Geboren is to born. So I born in 23rd September 1995. The other way, 23rd 9th 1995. So ich bin am 23. So this is Ordinalzahlen, that is 23. And this one is 9. So and this is Tag, day, that is Tag or the month. That's it. Der Tag or der Monat. So this both is masculine. That's why 9. Takes accusative. That's why 19 and 23. 23 accusative. So ich bin am 23. 1995 geboren. I born on 23rd of September 1995. So these are the different way of telling time. So always be careful about this punct. If the punct comes after the Ordinalzahlen, that is ordinal number, so in that case it takes as a first, second, third. That means erster, zweiter, fünfter. And in case of accusative, 2010 an, S10, zweiten, vierten, fünften. Vielen Dank.